Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable USB drive step by step. Whether you're dealing with GPT or MBR, EFI, UEFI, or non-EFI, I've got you covered. First things first, grab a USB drive that's at least 8 GB. Now connect it to your computer. Open up your browser and download a tool called Rufus. It's free and super handy for this task. Once Rufus is installed, fire it up. You'll see your USB drive listed in the device dropdown. Select it. Now, under Boot Selection, click on Select and choose your ISO file. This is the operating system you want to boot from. Next, you'll see Partition Scheme. Here's where it gets a bit technical. If you're using a modern system with UEFI, select GPT. For older systems with BIOS, go with MBR. Now for the file system, leave it at FAT32 if you chose GPT, or NTFS if you chose MBR. Don't worry about the cluster size, just leave it at default. Hit Start and wait for Rufus to do its magic. This might take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll have a bootable USB drive ready to go. To test it out, restart your computer and enter the boot menu. Select your USB drive and voila! You're booting from your USB, and that's it. Simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.